met you in the morning, summertime. The skies were warm and golden, mid-July. I dove into the blue in your eyes. I'm holding on to you, yeah.
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today's video we are going to be making our luscious lip butters, and today I am using a different recipe, so let's jump into the video and I hope you enjoy.
I'm shutting it down when I pop out, riding downtown with the top down. Sun's got everybody out now. Yeah, riding with my girls looking so good, playing my song feeling so good. Only good vibes in my book. Yeah, all we wanna do is have a good time. I'm really loving the vibe. It's the summertime. It's the summertime. It's the summertime. Headed to the beach, you can meet me there. Tell me when you get there. Texting this boy with the long hair. Yeah, sky so pretty as the sun sets. Tell me what we're about to do next. No one is ready to go home yet. Yeah, all we wanna do is have a good time. I'm really loving the vibes. Feeling so free and alive when I'm outside. And if you're wondering why, it's the summertime. It's the summertime. It's the summertime.
So it has been a full day and these lip butters are now officially done. If you can see that, it turned out really nice with a perfect top. So these lip butters not only moisturize your lips, but they also are guaranteed to heal your lips as well as preventing further damage being outdoors. They leave your lips moisturized for hours for the day, so you don't have to keep reapplying. So the lip balm set we made today have no flavor in them because they were highly requested by several of my customers. Because right now we have coconut as well as French vanilla in stock. Now, if you would like to follow me, I will show you how I make the labels for my lip butters. Enjoyed that video. That is a quick rundown on how I make my lip butters and some of the processes that I do. Now, if you like this video, please subscribe and hit that notification button because we are going to have a lot more videos coming, as well as some recipes included in the next videos. Make sure to leave me a comment below letting me know if you like flavored lip balm or if you prefer no flavor. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my channel, and I hope you have a wonderful week. Bye.